Welcome to Zoomer's RV of Wabash, Indiana. This is the used 2019 Keystone RV Montana 3561RL. This 38-foot, 5-inch fifth wheel, sleeps 4, has 5 slides, and weighs 13,037 pounds. It comes with a 6-point level up system. Here you can see one of the levelers. It has large pass-through storage. You can see we have our docking station and our basement. This is a rear living fifth wheel. As you will see, it has power theater seating, a hide-a-bed, and a residential refrigerator. We have rooftop access here on the back of this Montana. Let's take a step up, our quad step solid steps. On the way up, you'll notice that we have the 4-season living package in this 3561RL. We also have LED light strip underneath the awning. You'll notice this is the 20th anniversary edition. Let's go ahead and take a step inside. You'll notice plenty of accent lighting. Here we have an expandable table. We have a power station that will collapse down and lay flush with that countertop right there. We have a 2-basin sink on our kitchen island. Modern lighting, and as we're looking up, we'll also notice that we have a fan. We have desk with TV. This TV is actually retractable. If you open this door here, you'll notice there is a switch back there that'll actually retract the TV down if you want to look out the window while you work or read. Camping is for pleasure. Here we have our hide-a-bed. If you want to see pictures of the hide-a-bed folded out, visit our website at zoomersrv.com. Overhead cabinetry. Here's our power theater seating. You have a little bit of storage right here in the armrest. Also notice the power theater seating is directly across from the TV. We have our 2-burner cooktop. 3 burners. With our oven. High efficiency microwave. We have a Samsung refrigerator. We have a large pantry. We open the door here. You can see that we have nice deep shelves, creating room for plenty of storage. We have some extra countertop space here. You'll notice the beautiful backsplash here, as well as here. And again, we have another power outlet. And as you can see, you can just push in the red button, and it lays flush, just like that. So cabinetry and more cabinetry. Let's go ahead and take a step up the stairs. You'll notice we have a rack here and a place to hang our keys. Here we have our restroom, a foot flush toilet, some storage space, a seat in our shower, shower head, and skylight. We have a nice mirror, some cabinetry, and some cabinetry below. You'll notice we have our bedroom with bed slide. That creates plenty of walk-around space. We have built-in dresser, as well as a TV in our bedroom. If we open this closet here, we'll notice washer dryer prep. If we unhook this latch here, we can open our closet. You will notice we have some shelving built right in. We have an outlet as well as extra wardrobe space. Again, this is the used 2019 Keystone RV Montana 3561RL. Please see this, as well as many other campers on our lot in Wabash, Indiana, or on ZoomersRV.com. Thank you.